I think on that, it also depends on, as from what we've discussed, you'll see that product operations breakdown or all these challenges, yeah, even less of resources, right? It's not even a resource problem because even big
Okay.
organizations that have billions to spare also experience them, right? So there's the resource part to acquire the right tools, and then there is the management part, right? Which is actually much more important. So for a small organization that is looking to just, keep your product operations efficient and manage within what you have, I think it's about getting the right tools. There are different tools that are even free, right? Or cost very little amount just to put in place to harmonize, let's say, communication. So we spoke about communication breakdown. Even apart from big organization, the example I used initially was a breakdown in a large enterprise. Even a small organization, there's communication breakdown where you have a small team and everyone is not aligned on what to do. And this would happen if there is no collaboration tool or clearly defined roles and responsibilities. So as a PM or a product operations person managing a small team, the first thing you want to do is to clearly define your roles and responsibility within the team. So you are using like metrics like RASI, that is the responsible, informed metrics, right? And I think accountable, that's RASI matrix. I think there's another one too, similar to RASI, that you can use like to have a well-defined process. All you need is like a document detailing what products you have, what features you have, all these other details around operations, how to handle them, who is responsible for what at different points in time. And you have all these documents, you align your stakeholders, bring everyone together, let them understand the details of these documents and their responsibilities, and sign off. This is like the basic tool. What you need is a Microsoft Word document or Google Sheets or something, and you have everything put together. Everyone is aligned. They know what to do. This takes care of communication breakdowns that happens in team. In terms of data issues as well, there are instances where we've worked on managing data from spreadsheets, right? And these are like maybe small organization that still have like ad hoc processes. They do not have tools and everything. And the program manager just have to work on maybe a centralized, whatever they can make, a makeshift, say a Google Sheet, where they put like maybe weekly reports of what's going on, the data they have, number of users, number of transaction volume, value, all those details, whatever it is, they have it there. And you share this document, maybe you host it on Google Drive, share it with everyone in the team on a weekly or daily basis to keep them aligned. So these are some minor tools that you can have access to within the organization to even scale a small team.